Hello and welcome to a short assembly video on the new R800KD Rollator by Drive Healthcare. The first step is to simply remove all contents from the packaging, including a backrest, back wheels, those with brake handles, a rollator frame with seat and carry bag, and front wheels. Also included are 6 tightening knobs for easy and secure assembly. The next step is to carefully unfold the rollator frame and turn it onto its side by inserting the wheel into the corresponding tube. Simply align the hole with the wheel tube and the frame and secure in place. Tighten into place using the tightening knob marked A for front wheels. Follow the same process for the other front leg of the rollator. Next up, rotate the rollator frame so that you can easily attach the back wheels, those that have the brake handles, making sure that the wheels are facing the outside of the rollator. Align the hole on the wheel tube with the frame and secure in place using the tightening knob. Here's that same process being completed on the other side of the rollator. Now simply affix the brake cable to the S-shaped clamp provided on the rollator frame on both sides. Position the rollator upright so that you can easily remove the 2 shipping protectors where the brake handles will be installed. Insert the brake handle tube into the frame and set to your desired height. Secure in place using the tightening knob, threading the knob in from the outside. Repeat for the second handle, making sure both are set to the same height. The final step is to attach the padded backrest by depressing the gold thumb buttons and sliding into the black brackets. Note that the backrest can be folded up when not in use. You are now ready to roll in style using your brand new R800KD Rollator by Drive Healthcare.